Antonyms and Synonyms. Learning goal. Students can recognize the words of antonyms and synonyms from everyday conversation.
Some words have identical meanings. Some have similar meanings, and others are as different as night and day.
As for words with similarities, they are known as synonyms. Antonyms, however, are words that have opposite meanings.
A synonym is a word that means exactly the same as, or very nearly the same as, another word in the same language.
For example, close is a synonym of shut. However, you should notice that while a synonym may share an identical meaning with another word, the two words may not always be used in the same place and in the same way.
For example, blow up and explode have the same meaning, but blow up is informal, used more in speech, and explode is more formal, used more in writing and careful speech.
Synonyms can be nouns, verbs, adjectives, or other parts of speech. They can be useful in writing because they can help you avoid repeating the same words. Repeating the same word too many times can make your writing look weak.
For this reason, you might talk about a smart student in one place in your writing and a brilliant pupil in another place, even though they mean the same thing.
An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. For example, bad is an antonym of good.
Other examples are easy, difficult, soft, hard, male, female, up, down, and go, come.
Many antonyms are created by using prefixes like un, in, or non. For example, indecent is the opposite of decent, unable is the opposite of able, and nonsense is the opposite of sense.
Sometimes one word or phrase can have different meanings, depending on how it is used in a sentence. When this happens, the synonyms and antonyms change too.
For example, the child blew up the balloon has a different meaning than the soldier blew up the bridge.
In the first sentence, a synonym of blew up is inflated. That is, to make something bigger by blowing air into it.
In the second sentence, a synonym would be exploded. That is, destroyed something through an explosion.
For the same reason, the antonym of hard can be either easy or soft, depending on how you are using the word hard.